Let's move on to a different SUV now. This is at the top end of the market, the Volvo XC90. Very capable car, a lot of people talking about it, but not more than our two winners are. Yes, we had a contest here on CNB, remember? And two winners joined me to drive that car in Lonavla.
We first drove the second generation Volvo XC90 in Barcelona early this year. The car breaks new ground and takes Volvo in a very definite and progressive direction forward. After wowing folks in Europe and the USA, it is now here. In India, Volvo is offering the new XC90 in two trims, Inscription and Momentum. But both have the same D5 2.0-litre engine, and yes, both have the now famous daytime running light signature styled after Thor's hammer from Swedish mythology. We promised you the chance to join Siddharth for the first India test drive, and our two lucky winners were Vaibhavi Patil from Mumbai and Abhinav Suri from Rishikesh. Ronak from Team CNB escorted the winners from Mumbai to Lonavla, where we were to test the cars, and to add to the drama, we decided to bring them across on the first generation XC90.
We had a drive from Mumbai to Lonavla, and I'm looking forward to the new XC90. Very excited, and thank you CNB, thank you Volvo for this experience. I'm sure I'm going to cherish this.
Love the old XC90. It's a very comfortable car. I'm looking forward to meeting Siddharth now and driving the new Volvo XC90.
As we reached Lonavla, the winners were welcomed by Siddharth.
So nice to meet you, Siddharth.
And after a small briefing from Sudeep Narayan from Volvo Cars India, it was time to introduce them to the new XC90. After their initial look at the car, it was time to drive.
I always, of course, advocate safety, as you know.
Yes,
So not just the seat belt, but one of the things which a lot of people don't always realize is the correct seating posture. So the trick is to always not worry about what people tell you. It's always about what works for you, but there are just a few basics that you should follow. Obviously, visibility of the road, so the seat height, where it is possible to adjust, you should adjust. So that's up to you. But when your shoulders are back against the backrest, you should be able to reach out and put your wrist here. So that means you're okay. As long as you're not having to lean, your shoulders are still touching the seat, that's optimal. If not, either the steering needs to come forward or the seat needs to go forward. At no point should your elbows be straight. At no point should your knees be straight. There should always be a little bend in them. That's the safest driving posture.
So while Vaibhavi got lucky to get behind the wheel first, Abhinav jumped in with SVP. Rough roads, off-road, and then smooth tarmac. They experienced it all. So when it was Abhinav's turn to drive, they all jumped into one car so that Siddharth could chat with them both.
So first impressions?
I've never really had an off-roading experience in an XUV before this. As you can see right now,
You're kind of experiencing it right now.
Exactly. I love the car. I hope I can try it someday.
I know we're both CNB fans, and we really appreciate that, of course. You watched the show for long?
Yeah.
What about you? Watched it for long?
Yeah, I was active on the Facebook page as well a couple of years ago.
Yeah, that I do remember. Alright, so you've got a little bit of a smoother track now, a little bit of speed that hopefully we can pick up now. So within limits, let's go.
So after a day well spent with our viewers and the pretty XC90, it was time to say goodbye to Vaibhavi and Abhinav. For us at CNB, it is always all about you, our viewers, and your support means the world to us. Keep writing to us and we will always look forward to the chance to meet with you like we could with our two XC90 winners today.